On March 4, 2025, U.S. President Donald Trump announced new tariffs on goods from Canada, China, and Mexico. These tariffs represent a significant escalation in trade tensions. The affected goods are worth an estimated $2.2 trillion annually. This move has sent shockwaves through the global economy. Many fear a potential trade war. The decision to impose tariffs comes after repeated calls by the Trump administration for these countries to take action. The U.S. alleges that these countries have not done enough to stop the flow of fentanyl. Fentanyl, a powerful synthetic opioid, has contributed to a devastating overdose crisis in the United States. The United States is grappling with a severe opioid epidemic. Fentanyl, often manufactured illicitly, has become a major factor in this crisis. The drug's potency and low cost make it readily available. It has flooded the U.S., leading to a surge in overdoses and deaths. The Trump administration argues that China and Mexico are major sources of fentanyl and its precursor chemicals. They accuse these countries of not effectively cracking down on production and trafficking. Canada, they claim, serves as a transit point for fentanyl entering the U.S. A trade war occurs when countries engage in retaliatory actions. These actions typically involve raising tariffs or imposing quotas on each other's goods. The goal is often to protect domestic industries or pressure a trading partner to change their policies. However, trade wars rarely have clear winners. One of the most well-known examples is the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act of 1930. This act, passed in the United States during the Great Depression, raised tariffs on over 20,000 imported goods. The result was a global trade collapse. It deepened the Depression and had devastating economic consequences worldwide. The immediate impact of Trump's tariffs is uncertainty in the global market. Businesses are unsure about the future costs of goods. This uncertainty can lead to reduced investment and slower economic growth. The targeted countries, Canada, China, and Mexico, are likely to retaliate with tariffs of their own. This tit-for-tat escalation could spiral into a full-blown trade war. This would harm businesses and consumers in all countries involved. The tariffs could also disrupt global supply chains, leading to higher prices for consumers and shortages of certain goods.